Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week 482 into my envelopes. I actually was going to do 413, but then I checked my Venmo and I had some money in there. So I transferred that over, so now I can use that for this cash stuffing. So that's exciting. So I have a little bit more than I originally had thought I was going to use. I already planned out my wallet because it's the same. So in spending, I'm gonna do 30, eating out is 30, groceries is 80, coffee 20, and buffer 10. And I actually, this week, I tried my best not to spend too much when it came to my envelopes, and I did a pretty good job. I really didn't go out shopping too much, and doing like unnecessary purchases, even eating out. I only ate out like once, and that was with my coworkers at work, and I split it with one of my coworkers, so it was a little bit cheaper. So yeah, I did pretty good in my wallet this week, so that's exciting. I'll have some extra money to stuff in there when it comes to savings and my sinking funds. So yeah, that's the plan for that, but that'll be in my cash stuffing video. So I'm just gonna go down the line. Well, first go into here and, oh wait, actually no. I'm gonna go into here first because I have my saving, I always forget about my savings challenges that I need to account for first. So, okay, so I have 482 minus 170. So I have 312 to put into all of my other envelopes. So in here, I have, roll the dice, which I'm going to add down here. Roll the dice. I only have to put $2 in here, which is good because I don't, it's something, but it's not a lot. So that's -2. And then in the 100 envelope, I'm just going to do the lowest amount. And since I have money in my wallet still, I might add it to this, but for now I'm going to plan for 25 at least to go into this challenge. 100 envelope is going to get 25, and then the other one is the 52 week, which is going to get 10. And then since I'm already in here, go wild, I'm going to do 15 and go wild. All right, so savings are all done for the most part. Now I can go into here. And the ones I want to prioritize right now are extra debt, and then I have treat yourself. So in extra debt, I'm going to do 30. Right now I have, oh, actually, this is all zeroed out. I took this to the bank. I had 385 in here, took it to the bank, and I made my extra debt payment for this one. So that's good. That's all taken care of, and I'm just starting over for the month of January. So now I'm just going to do $30 in here. So extra debt, $30. And then I'm going to do treat yourself. Which is $30. Okay. Now, auto repair. So I always do extra debt and treat yourself the same, $30, because technically that extra debt money is money that I am paying myself back for. So it's kind of like a debt in a way, just to myself. So that's why it gets the same, because it's just something I need to like put back into the bank since I already used the money. So now into auto repair, I have this one. I'm just gonna do 10 in auto repair. There's 10. Christmas is just gonna get 5. I'm probably gonna put 5 in a lot of envelopes this week, but I'm gonna try to get something in every envelope. Electronics, this one's gonna get 10. Like more of like the low priorities are gonna get 5, basically. Emergency is gonna get 10. Okay, we already did extra debt. Furniture is going to get 5. Gifts is going to get 5. Rainy day, I think I want to put 10 in here. Okay, that one's done. Road trip is going to get 5. Scentsy is going to get 5 too. Subscriptions is going to get 5 as well. So that is it in this binder. Okay, and then this one. Okay, beauty. Actually, I need to go buy something for beauty. So I'm thinking I should put, because I only have 21. I'm going to put 10 in beauty. Clothing is going to get 5. I bought something with clothing recently, but I ended up trying it on here, so I'm going to return it. So I'm going to be back at like 100 plus this 5. So yeah, that's pretty good. Content is going to get 5. Costco is going to get 5. Okay, Disney. I'm going to Disney next weekend, so I'm actually going to put 15 in here. I've been seeing a bunch of things I want to buy. Like, on my feed, I get a lot of people who go to Disney and then they post all the new merch. And I've been seeing a lot of things that I like, so I need to put more money in there. Family is going to get 15. Fun is going to get 15 as well. I'm planning on going out to eat with my coworkers soon, so I plan on using this one for that. Hobbies is going to get 5. Holiday decor, 5. Definitely not a priority. And home decor also is 5. Household is actually going to get 15. And Target's going to get 15. So I only have $4 in there. And then I'm left with $15, which I'm just going to put that in a savings. So savings, 15. Okay, and that is the whole 482. So now it's time to figure out, like, tally everything up, figure out the denominations for all of this. So over here we have a 10, so I'm just gonna put a 10. Got a 5 over here. Electronics is 10, emergency 10. Extra debt is 30, so 20 and a 10. Furniture is 5, another 5. Rainy day is 10. Road trip is 5, 5, and 5 for subscriptions. Treat yourself is 30, 20 and a 10. Beauty is 10. Oh geez, I already messed up. See, I knew I was gonna do that. My tallies are going in the wrong spots. 10, 20 and 10. And then 10. Let me make sure I just did these right. These are right. This is right. Okay. Clothing is 5. Content is 5. And then Costco's 5. Disney is 15, so 10, 5. And then another 10, 5 for family and 10, 5 for fun. Hobbies is 5. Holiday decor is 5. Home decor is 5. Household is 10 and a 5. And then Target is 15, 10 and a 5. Go Wild is 10 and a 5. Roll the dice is $2. So I'm just gonna put 2 tallies there. And then 100 envelope is 25. So 20 and a 5. 52 week is 10, and savings is 15, but I'm not gonna break it up let's see, how am I gonna break that up? I think I'm just going to do, okay, I'm gonna do 1, 5, and 10 ones, because I really want to fill that $3 challenge and get that one out of the way. So 1, 5, and 10 ones for that one, which is 15. Okay. Yep. All right. So now I'm just going to count up at the tally. So 50, I only have 1, and hopefully this all works out. I think last time I did this video, I messed up somewhere, but that's okay. I like showing the mess ups. If it happens, it happens. 20 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 10s. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And then 1s, we have 10, 15, 16, 17. So totaling all of this, we have 150, which is $50. 620, which is 120. 19 10s, that's 190. 21 times 5 is 105. And then 17. So let's see if this all adds up. 120, 190, 105, and 17 is 482. Perfect. So when I go to the bank today, I'm going to ask for 150, 6 20s, 19 10s, 21 5s, and 17 1s. And let me show you how I write them down. I plan on making like a little thing that I could take to the bank. But right now, I've just been using a sticky note. I got these off at Amazon. They're really cute because they're just very like neutral. There's like lined ones, there's plain ones, and then there's grid ones. So I've just been using these because I have them, and these worked out perfectly, like nice. So what I'm gonna do is I just write here. I'm not getting any hundreds, so I don't even bother writing the 100. I just write 50, and I'm getting 1, and then I'm getting 6 20s, so 26, and then 9 10s, I'm getting 19. 5s, I'm getting 21. And then 1s, I'm getting 17. And then I put the total, 482. And then I just hand this to them. I just give it to them. And then they just do their thing on their side. They confirm the number and all that. I've only had it a couple of times where they think that my numbers are wrong, but they're not wrong. I check them. I know they're right. So then they did something weird. Like I think one time one person put that I wanted like actually I don't know what she did. I don't know what she did. She did like something weird, like she inverted the numbers, and it was coming out like $100 off. I was like, I am not that off. So eventually she figured it out. She was super nice about it. But I just give this to them. I just put this in my wallet and then take it to the bank. That's kind of my little process when it comes to that. So you don't need like anything fancy, like a little teller slip or anything. Those I do plan on eventually having something like that. But for right now, like just a little sticky note or a piece of paper, that totally works. I used to take a piece of paper in too. Okay, so that's it. That's all that for this video. So make sure to, stay tuned for my cash stuffing that is coming up tomorrow on Sunday to see how all of this gets stuffed into my envelopes. But thank you so much for watching me cash plan for this week. I hope you all enjoyed. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do put out content every single day. So if you're looking for lots of things to watch, I can definitely provide that for you over here on my channel. So I hope you choose to subscribe if you're not already, and I hope to see you in the next video.